Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I just wanted to do a quick video on a couple of trades that I'm in my 1,000 to 100k challenge. So currently today I am in two trades. One is Bitcoin, the other is Ethereum. I entered last night, thankfully, at this mark here, because I could see that there was two green candles, and then there was this middle one here, and that's when I decided to get in, because I could see firstly that it had bounced off the 50 daily fibs and the 50 weekly fibs for starters, and there was also a bull flag. That's these two lines here. So that, to me, those three things gave me the indication to get in a trade, and currently it is sitting at, I'll have to make this bigger, hang on a second, I'll move this down, there you go. Currently I'm sitting at 74% roundabout profit, and I decided to go 10 times leverage as well because I entered at 5 times leverage, but I increased it and I added to my position and increased the leverage. So, because I'm confident in this trade continuing to go up at this stage, and I'm in a no loss position because I've moved the stop loss above my now entry point, which is here. So even if it comes back down and I get stopped out, I still make profit, but I'm just monitoring it. I don't think it's going to come back down here again. So to me, this is a really, really good trade because it's a no loss position, and I only put down 20 bucks, and currently 0.0037 is about 150 bucks in profit. So $20 down, to me, is a really, really good trade. And I would have to say that my mentors would agree that this is a good trade. So, yep, I feel proud of myself on that one. With ETH, I just entered like a couple of hours ago. For these reasons as well, I saw that it bounced off the 50 weekly, and the same thing as BTC, it's touched the 50 daily. So that's, also touching this trend line. That's 2 touches, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, and it's within a triangle. So, and a great big bullish engulfing. I thought that is a very clear, all those are very clear indicators to me to enter along. So I got in currently at this price here. I got in here. Not such a good risk to reward as the BTC one, but not bad. I'm aiming for, about 2 to 1. Should be a bit higher. There you go, 2 to 1. So that is a pretty average trade. How you identify the better trades is the risk to reward ratio. So with Bitcoin, so that one was 2 to 1. This one is 4.35 to 1. So, much, much higher reward than this one. And even if you get a few wrong, like I got that one wrong. And I got a couple of trades wrong. I think it was, $20 a trade. But when you make one really good trade like that, it far outweighs the losses that you made as well. So the aim is to make more of these and less of these, but that's pretty much how you should be, looking at trading, is that sometimes you can lose, but the losses are minimal, and when you do win, the losses are really good. I mean, the wins are really good, rather. Okay, so that is all for today. Just a quick update. Well, I'll go into where I think the price is going to head. I think that we will be going past 41, or maybe touching it and then bouncing, like touching it and maybe retracing before going back to up here. And at this point here is where I'll be looking very intently to see if it's going to bust through, retest and keep going, or touch it and then it becomes resistance and then go back down again. So I'll be watching. Perhaps it will touch here and then come back down here before finally shooting out of that triangle. But yeah, that's where I'm at with BTC. See on the weekly it's looking bullish again. But yeah, even with, even if it ranges within this triangle, as long as it doesn't come back down into this buy box and stays above 41, I think that's, to me, is a super, super bullish sign. But we won't know, and we're not going to be fully clear until we're past 51, well and truly. But by then, that's when people are going to FOMO back in. So that's why it's handy to know trading. So you know what to watch and look for so that you can actually trade it going up or down. So it doesn't matter either way. So yeah, I will put a link for those who want to know more about trading and learning this skill, which, like today, both my kids are home sick, and if I had a regular job, I would have had to call in sick, but because I'm home and they're home with me, I'm able to check my charts and trade from home and make money just off my laptop. So, if that is something that you would like to learn to do, to have a lifestyle, where you can be at home with your kids or basically work from anywhere, I'll put a 20-minute intro to trading webinar below that is free with one of my mentors. And if you've got any questions, just hit me up. Cheers.